Hello everyone, this is Tiffany from Haibao News. Welcome to our special channel, Select Shandong into Zoom. Today we are in Jinan Innovation Zone, where innovation is turning imagination into reality. We are now walking through the East Zone Industrial Park. What you see here is more than factories and office buildings. It is an ecosystem where companies, talent, industrial and innovation come together. The East Zone Industrial Park is creating an environment where innovative business can start, grow, and collaborate. By bringing together industrial resources, supporting services, talent, and technology, the park helps companies accelerate development and transform promising ideas into real projects and new business opportunities. What does the factory of the future look like? Smarter, greener, perhaps zero carbon. Here at Lock Mason, technology is making that vision a reality. As a global leader in industrial automation and digital transformation, Lock Mason is bringing advanced technologies and international expertise into green manufacturing. At its zero-carbon factory, digital solutions are being used to improve energy efficiency, optimize production, and reduce carbon emissions, offering a glimpse into the future of sustainable industry. Beauty, health, biotechnology. What connects them all? The answer may be found just right here at Bluemage Biotech. So, how does biotechnology go from the lab into our daily life? Let's go inside and find out. Bluemage Biotech has built its expertise around biotechnology and bioactive materials, turning scientific research into real-world applications, from healthcare to personal care. Its innovations are finding their way into a growing range of products and industries, showing how biotechnology can move beyond the laboratory and become part of everyday life.